Hi guys, so I've got another thing to show you guys is a Balkan Wemo Maker. So basically this is equivalent to like your microcontrollers, like your Raspberry Pis, Arduino. So this is like the Balkan's Wemo version of it. So it's got a Wi-Fi antenna and a couple of terminals to connect sensors, and it's got a built-in relay switch. It only supports up to 12 volts. So there's a couple of projects you can actually use this for. So the purpose of this is I bought this from Bunnings, at my local Bunnings for 69 Australian dollars, and my plan is to hook it up to my garage door. So recently my garage door keeps opening by itself, even though that I've reset the code numerous times. So what I'm planning to do is hook up a reed switch to the door, so at least the Wemo Maker can detect that the door's been opened, and I'll have a relay switch hook up to the garage door opener so that I can remotely close it and open it as well. So what I'm going to do now is going to open this and have a look at what's inside. So this is the Balkan Wemo Maker. Let's have a look what's inside here. So there's the device, the Wemo Maker. Aside, what else you get in here is a USB cables and a USB power adapter. So this looks like one of those typical Balkan mobile phone chargers that you can buy separately at the shops as well. Cable, standard micro USB. Put that aside. And what is it in here? Okay, so nothing else. So and you get a quick start guide as well to how to wire your sensors and wire the relays as well, and set up the Android app or the iOS app if you use an iPhone. Okay, let's put all these aside. So what we have here is the Wemo charging cable, charging the charger. So at the front you'll see there's a button there. And at the back, you've got an I/O button. Okay, I'm not sure what that does yet. I need to go through the manual. And you've got a restore button. So basically, I'm guessing that's the factory reset button there. So you have a few terminals along here. So you've got your sensors here. So you can hook up any sensors along there. And then the built-in relay switch supports up to 12 volts. So I'm going to hook that up to the garage door opener, and this takes 5 volts, 1 amp. So this is where you hook up your micro USB, and you got two new holes here for mounting it onto the wall as well. So it's a neat little device. I mean, you probably can achieve the same thing with the other microcontrollers like your Raspberry Pi and Arduino, but most of the hard work is being done for you. So you just need to download the app for your mobile phone and hook up the appropriate wirings, and you're good to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook this up to my garage door, and then I'll do a demonstration how this will work. Okay, so I've got my Wemo Maker hooked up to my garage door opener. So I've hooked up the power supply up here, and I've got some 2 wirings to connect it to the relay switch to open and close the garage door. And then down at the other end, I've hooked up the reed switch. So as the door retracts, the magnetic part of that reed switch will be retracted as well, so basically that will trigger the sensor and notify that the door is open. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a demonstration on my mobile phone. Actually, I've using if this and that service to hook it up to Google Assistant, so I can use voice control to open and close the door. So for example, I'll just go, okay Google, open garage door. So you can see using voice control and Google Assistant, you can open the garage door with the Wemo Maker. So now I'm going to use voice control to close the garage door. So I'm just going to say close garage, okay Google, close garage door. There you go. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to use the Wemo Maker to hook it up to your garage door. I hope that's very informative. Please subscribe to my channel just by clicking on my face here, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you want to watch any of my previous video, you can click up here and down there, and I'll see you guys next time.